Welcome to Shri Medical College. Today we will discover the world of Paramedical, a comprehensive course at Shri Medical College. A good paramedic must be calm under pressure and able to think quickly on their feet. There is a growing need for highly skilled medical personnel to meet the needs of those who rely on out-of-hospital emergency medical services. Paramedical is a field of healthcare that involves the provision of pre-hospital and out-of-hospital medical care to patients in need. Paramedics respond to medical crises and treat patients before transit to a hospital. A critical thinker is someone who can evaluate a circumstance, identify problems, and propose viable remedies. Paramedical personnel, depending on their roles, may need to make quick decisions under pressure while diagnosing and treating patients. In order to give the best care possible, paramedical practitioners may also need to employ critical thinking in novel ways. Paramedics play a crucial role in saving lives during times of crisis. Becoming a paramedic or emergency medical technician, EMT, may be the right choice for you if you want to work in the front lines of healthcare, assisting the ill and injured. Shri Medical College's paramedical program focuses on improving field provider abilities and teaching management and leadership. In addition to theoretical instruction, students in this program will have hands-on experience in both pre-hospital and in-hospital settings. The ability to listen to others and express oneself clearly and empathetically so that there are fewer misconceptions is what we mean when we talk about communication. Paramedical practitioners' capacity to effectively communicate with other medical staff members is crucial to achieving optimal productivity in the workplace. Paramedical specialists' ability to transmit information to customers and comprehend patients' worries depends on their proficiency in communication. The goal of paramedical course is to equip the student with the skills necessary to offer advanced emergency medical care and transport for both critically and non-critically ill patients. The course teaches human anatomy and physiology, disease processes, initial patient assessment and stabilization, itch monitors and defibrillators, and advanced airway management. Paramedical program includes anatomy, physiology, pulmonology, pharmacology, pediatrics, geriatrics, hematology, toxicology, trauma therapy, environmental emergencies, and behavioral healthcare. Those who work in the field of emergency medicine, EMR, study to acquire the knowledge and abilities necessary to render timely, often life-saving, care to those in dire straits. Emergency personnel can provide assistance at the scene, but they are not expected to take on the role of primary carers. These EMRs could be volunteers with the fire department, the police force, the Medical Reserve Corps, or an emergency response team from the business sector. In order to practice as an electronic medical record specialist, you must first complete a recognized training program. At emergency scenes, emergency medical technicians, EMTs, provide fundamental, non-invasive interventions to save lives and mitigate injuries. All the duties of a first responder can be handled by them, and they also know how to securely transfer patients. Paramedics and emergency medical technicians, EMTs, often serve as the first line of care for patients outside of hospitals. Obtaining an EMT certification requires completion of a recognized training program. EMTs are trained to provide all the same services as EMTs and EMS professionals, and they also have access to some pharmacological and advanced life support techniques. In order to practice as an advanced emergency medical technician, one needs to complete a recognized training program. When it comes to emergency care, only paramedics have the training and equipment to perform invasive and pharmacological procedures. Shri Medical College offers both undergraduate and postgraduate degrees in various paramedical courses. Paramedics work closely with other healthcare professionals, such as doctors, nurses, and ambulance technicians, to provide a range of medical services to patients in need. This can include administering medications, performing basic life support, such as CPR, using defibrillators, and providing care for injuries or illnesses. To become a paramedic, individuals must complete a rigorous training program that includes both classroom and hands-on clinical training. A paramedical worker with a high level of empathy may experience what their patients are going through. It's putting yourself in their shoes and thinking about what they're going through, how you would feel, and what worries you could have. Professionals in the paramedical field need to have strong empathic skills so that they may give their patients the best treatment possible. After finishing either the medical or non-medical tracks in high school, students can choose from a variety of paramedical programs. Bachelor of Vocation or Master of Vocation in paramedical courses include Bachelor of Vocation or Master of Vocation in Operation Theatre Technology, Bachelor of Vocation or Master of Vocation in Medical Laboratory Technology, Bachelor of Vocation in Physiotherapy, Bachelor of Vocation or Master of Vocation in Radiology and Medical Imaging Technology, Bachelor of Vocation or Master of Vocation in Optometry and Ophthalmic Technology, Bachelor of Vocation or Master of Vocation in Cardiac Care Technology, Bachelor of Vocation or Master of Vocation in Patient Care Management, Bachelor of Vocation or Master of Vocation in Hospital Management, Bachelor of Vocation or Master of Vocation in Dialysis Technology. Graduates of Bachelor of Vocation programs would thus be in a position to contribute meaningfully to the growth of India's economy by securing suitable employment and developing relevant expertise. The credit framework that NSQF has designed is beautiful since it has various entrance points and is already set up to encourage lateral and vertical mobility. The goal is to make it easier for students to move from one level of education to the next, specifically between certificate and diploma and degree. Bachelor of Vocation degree, B.VoC, in paramedical courses eligibility criteria. 12th class from any recognized board. Students, arts/commerce/science, of any age can apply. A minimum score of 50% in the 12th class. Students awaiting final examination results may also apply. Paramedics work in hospitals and emergency medical services. During shifts, they drive an ambulance to help persons in medical problems. Those in need of immediate medical attention are treated by paramedics, who subsequently transport them to the nearest hospital for more extensive treatment. Larger urban regions typically have more need for paramedic services because to the higher concentration of hospitals and the greater number of patients they serve. Paramedics play a vital role in the healthcare system, as they are often the first point of contact for patients experiencing a medical emergency. They work in a variety of settings, including ambulances, hospitals, and specialized care units, and are responsible for providing a high level of care to patients in need. As a healthcare provider, you need keen observation skills to detect even minute shifts in a patient's demeanor that could indicate a medical problem or deterioration. Paramedical workers must pay close attention to details when listening to and following a doctor's orders. It is critical for paramedical providers to convey the precise dosages and facts while managing medications or writing reports about patient health. Join Shri Medical College's Bachelor of Vocation and Master of Vocations in various paramedical domain and take the first step toward a successful career in hospitals. We are here to assist you in launching your medical career. Call us at 9968193009 for more information about our program or to submit an application right away. Shri Medical College, nurturing next generation of healthcare leaders, and offers all paramedical, pharmacy, nursing and yoga sciences courses at competitive fee and helps in 100% placement assistance. Admission open. For more information, please visit our website shriramcollege.com and like, share, subscribe our YouTube channel Shri Medical College. Good luck, goodbye.